Hi, this is Kate here with baby Luca, and we just wanted to make this message to express our gratitude toward Emily Masnoon. I practiced prenatal yoga with Emily throughout my pregnancy and kind of came in a little bit skeptical, like, is this really going to uh, make an impact, or like how can a yoga practice actually make something as big and potentially life-changing and scary as childbirth, something that is really empowering and joyful. And somehow it worked. The techniques that we practiced in class, I felt myself doing actually in the birth room. I was lucky to be able to give birth naturally at a birth center, but they allowed me to do poses and go in the water, and the whole time I was thanking my lucky stars that I had some guiding principles that I learned from Emily. So I recommend her services to any pregnant ladies, whether you've done yoga or not before. It makes a world of difference. So thank you. Say bye, Luke. Luca, say bye.